Karong buntaga mga kapuso atong Ila-ilahon kining Cebuanon, lumadi siya nga taga Pilar sa lungsod sa Camotes mga kapuso. Nahimo ni siyang video editor karon sa sikat nga Israeli video blogger Nas Daily. Usang pamaagi mga kapuso nga nasud siya niining maong trabaho ug giusam sa niya pagkat-on kining video editing mo gyud gikahiligan niya karon mo nay panginabuhian sab atong maila-ila karong buntaga V. Angeli Zarco Lanot. Good morning, V. Welcome sa GMA Regional TV Live. Pa-shoutout sa atong mga viewers rong buntaga din sa Central o sa Eastern Visayas.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you so much, Kuya, for having me here. I hope everyone's doing well. And yes, thank you so much for welcoming me. This is such an honor.
Daghang salamat po, V, for joining us this morning. Kumusta imong adlaw karon? Kumusta imong kabuntagaon kung itandi kagahapon?
So far, it's like really great. Samot na kay na ako diri. Every day is a blessing and I'm just happy to be here.
Isgutan ta imong pagka-video editor at a very young age. Nganong nainteresado man ka sa pagkat-on ini?
It started when I was around probably 13 or 12. So at nga time, dili pa to kayo famous ang video editing. Not many people know about that. But then I was like tasked to produce something. And it could be in any form. Like it could be poetry or music or whatever that. And I wanted to like combine that into a video. So I researched and at nga time, so like I was presenting my video and I was just looking at the audience, and their reaction was like, they were happy, they were sad. It was just amazing. And at that moment, I was like, I can make an impact through this.
Isip usa ka video editor, V, unsa may mga tips nga mahatag nimo sa mga nag-cut-on pa lang o nag-practice pa niini?
Okay, so ako lang yun, like, padayon lang kay, if you like what you're doing, magod, bisag unsa pa na, then just keep practicing and studying. Kay, with video editing, it doesn't really matter if you're editing sa phone or sa laptop or whatever it is that you have. But, like, at the end of the day, what matters is the story. So, I think all I can really say is that you're doing great, but someday you're gonna be even better.
Among nasayran usa ka sa mga video editors, of course, labing sikat gyud nga page sa social media platforms Nas Daily. Unsa nimo pagkasud niini, V?
So nag-send ko og application to them kay like naman sila job opening, and so sa akong edit ganahan ko nga i-blend ang ilang style ug akong style. So I put everything that I know, like tanang skills nga nagather nako through all those years. And to my surprise, ganahan sila do. And so I was called for an interview, and then I was in training for a month. It may look easy, but it's really not easy. But it was really fun. I really loved the journey.
We heard nga ikaw kuno ang pinakabata sa mga editors nila?
Yes, and I guess the whole company too, which is just insane.
How is it like working sa usa sa pinaka-followed nga vlogger sa tibuok kalibutan, V?
I think it's really cool. It's amazing. See, Nisire is like amazing. I think he is more amazing off camera, in real life, than he is on camera, which is just insane. The team is also just very happy, very professional. The workplace is very positive.
5 years from now, V, how do you see yourself? Unsa imong gustong makabot man isip usa ka video editor?
5 years from now, I'm not really sure, but I would really like to see myself telling more stories and hopefully inspiring people, but not just sort of like as a video editor. I want to, maybe then I'll be directing my own films.
To end this interview, doon na ba kay mensahe nga gustong ipaambit sa atong mga viewers dito sa Central o sa Eastern Visayas, labi na mga batan-on nga nangandoy like you?
Just take good care of yourself. I know dili gyud siya sayon, but we have to keep going, and hopefully soon we will be okay. Trust in yourself and trust in God lang, and also thank you so much for listening. And can I say a quick happy birthday? Is that okay po?
Sure, V. No
okay,
problem.
so Happy birthday to my aunt, Mama Gige. Thank you so much. Yeah, that's all.
All right, thank you so much for joining us this morning. We're glad to have you on the program. Mga kapuso, storyteller V. Angeli Lanot. Salamat, V.
Thank you, Kuya. Thank you, everyone.